Welcome back to Living 757. Okay, so I got a scenario. Let's say that you get in a car accident and immediately who gives you advice? That close friend, a family member. Ooh, you better sue. You about to get paid. But you are forgetting one thing. There's certain processes that you have to remember when it comes to hiring an attorney. And here to help us clear all of those misconceptions up, we got attorney at law and partner of Huffman Huffman, brothers-in-law, Brad Huffman. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you, Quincy. Good to be back.
Well, you know, it's good to have you. And before we even get started, when it comes to personal injury, you have to be getting sued because you are hurting people's feelings with your outfit. You kill it every time. Look at the shoes, the socks. You know what?
That's funny.
Every time you come, I think I'm dressing right.
I do it to get your attention.
Well, you got it. You got it. So, look, today's topic, obviously, is about the common misconceptions about hiring a personal injury lawyer, right?
Sure.
And here's the truth. So these days, people have ChatGPT.
Yeah.
They also have Google, and they have somebody called Uncle Gregory that always likes to give personal advice, and you should listen to Uncle Gregory. Like, for instance, Uncle Gregory would probably say, when you get in an accident, man, the first thing you need to do is capture the person's address, stalk them, find out what everything that they have going on so you can use that against them in court. Now, is that good advice?
No, that's not good advice.
All right.
No, call the lawyer, get some good legal advice, and the lawyer can tell you exactly what you need to do in an accident.
Right, because in fact, stalking somebody, that is a crime.
That's not a good idea.
That's actually a crime on top of the crime that you've already committed. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so I got another.
So stay away from stalking.
Stay away from stalking. That's number one. All right. So another scenario. My best friend Doug is like, hey man, I've been in plenty of accidents, and I'm gonna tell you something. I don't carry insurance. I don't need insurance because it's their fault anyway. So I mean, I'm good. Is that good advice?
That's horrible advice.
Why?
Yeah, because a lot of times, that person that causes the accident, they don't have insurance. So if you don't have any insurance, you're out of luck.
Two wrongs will never make a right.
Right, exactly.
Got you.
That's what you got insurance for.
Right. And I'm sure it makes y'all's job easy if you know you're going into a case where somebody is insured.
Sure. If there's no insurance, there's not much we can do for them. You're trying to get money out of Doug. Might not work
Doug
too
is
well.
unemployed.
Yeah.
He's talking about you don't need insurance. I got you. So I'm not listening to Doug no more. All right. So now some people also think dealing with an insurance company themselves, like that's a risk, right? Which you kind of already kind of cleared up. But hiring an attorney also means going to court. Is that a misconception?
No. Yes, that is a misconception. That's not correct.
Okay.
I mean, you hire an attorney to get advice on what to do whenever you're in an accident. We can help you with that. And probably 95% of the cases, we settle those claims.
Oh, wow.
We don't go to court, typically. Now, sometimes we have to file suit just to put pressure on the insurance company, but even 95% of those times, we settle the claim without actually trying the case. So it's very unusual that you actually go to trial when you've been involved in an auto accident. The likelihood is that you settle the claim without going through all that.
Okay, and as you were talking, it just hit me too. So if I'm in an accident and I have my insurance company, to avoid, like if I'm like, I don't want to pay lawyers any fees, I'll just go through the insurance company. Like, do you find a lot of people think that they can go that route? Yeah,
well, that's a good point. I mean, if you cause the accident and you've got insurance, you don't have to worry about anything because your insurance company will come in and pay that claim, so you don't have to. And if you get sued, your insurance company will bring their own attorneys in to represent your interest. So you don't have anything to worry about if you have insurance.
So what if a person really has a kind heart and they don't want to seem greedy, so they don't want to sue because...
It's not... Well, I appreciate that, but it's not a matter of greed. You're just simply asking the other party, if they caused the accident, to take responsibility, for what they did. I mean, if they caused the accident, now you've got medical expenses, you've been out of work, you've got a car that's sitting in the driveway that doesn't work. That person should take responsibility for that. That's all that's involved in that.
And And one thing that I do know, that because I've been in an accident hit from behind, you don't realize that you're hurt until 24 to 36 hours later.
That's a great
That's
point.
when your soreness starts. And so if you just be like, yeah, it was just a little bump, I'm fine. And then a couple of days later, it's like, oof.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You know, at the time of the accident, you've got your adrenaline going. Sometimes, a lot of times, you don't feel it. And a lot of times, the injuries take 24 to 48 hours to really manifest themselves. So,
Okay.
yeah, there's nothing unusual about that.
Well,
Yeah.
Brad, we definitely love having you on the show. I'm gonna go back in my closet and go see if I can find something sharp for the next time. But if people are in an injury, who should they call?
Yeah, give us a call, Huffman Huffman. Phone number is 422-HELP. It should be easy enough to remember.
Awesome,
But,
awesome.
We'll be
Well,
glad to help anybody.
yeah,
Give us a call.
brothers-in-law. Well, thank you guys so much.